In this video, I'm going to orient you to the RStudio software and show you how to get started creating a project. When you open RStudio, you get a display that looks like this. You can see here on the bottom left usually is a console with the R software running inside it. I like to put my console on the right because I like to be able to see my script here on the left and my command and its output on the right. But we can load a library in R, like the tidyverse library. And it attaches, and you get all these packages that are here part of the tidyverse library. You can also write a script over here that has the commands that you use. You can load your NHTS package that you got on GitHub as well. And then what this does is when you when you run a line of code over in the script, it will execute in the console, and RStudio will tell you, oh, I now have a trips data set that has almost 1 million rows of 62 variables, and I can look at this data and sort of see it visually here in the RStudio window. I can save my script file somewhere in my computer. But what I like to do is I like to create a project. So you can do that here in this Create a Project button. You can also do it here in your drop-down, New Project. But if I say New Project, I'll start a project in a new directory. I'll just do a basic project. And I'll call this CN565 demo, create project. And what that does is it creates a folder on my computer where I can stash all the files, all the R scripts and all the data files related to this project. And that helps me keep my workspace clean. It lets me switch between projects quickly. And here that project comes up, and I see, all the projects I've been working on. I can create a script. And when I save it, it's already focused here on the project directory. Call this my script.r, and then you can see it gets saved right there. So all of my files and stuff I can access very quickly through the RStudio panel.